Welcome back to my channel, The Holistic Boss. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Coach Renee, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a full body juice. Yes, it's going to support your entire body. When I say your entire body, I mean it has every vitamin, mineral that you need to get your body moving, get your body healing, get your body in shape. I mean, from losing weight to cleaning out your gut. This full body juice is none other than zucchini juice. And it is full of vitamin C, beta carotene. It supports our immune system, our vision, our skin, our heart health, because it has potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, lutein, all of these nutrients and these vitamins that our body needs. So it's a full body juice. So let's get started. I'm going to be using 2 large zucchinis, 2 apples, of course, and I'm going to be using some ginger. Can't go without that ginger. And I'm going to put in probably 1/4 of this lemon, not the whole lemon. And that's it. We want to make this as simple as possible for your morning juice. So let's get started. I'm going to start cutting I'm going to start cutting the cucumber. I'm going to leave the skin on because the skin has most of the nutrients, and so we want all of the nutrients that we can possibly have. I'm going to cut this end off. Then I'm just going to slice it into smaller pieces so it can fit the juicer much better. Then I'm just going to dump these into the bowl so I can cut up my other apple. I just want to put it all together at the same time. So I'm just going to put that aside there. Next, I'm going to cut my apples. Kind of like them little squares. Cut around the core. Don't want the core inside. So put those in the bowl. Okay, look at all this green lush. I don't like to waste anything, so I'll probably eat this. Great. Okay. I pretty much have everything cut up. The lemon, sometimes I'll keep the skin on, sometimes I'll peel it or take the skin off. I'll cut that part off. And I will halfen this and cut this into little 4s. I'm going to keep the skin on this time. Okay, there you have it. Everything is cut up nicely. Now I'm ready to start juicing. So as you can see, everything is cut nicely. So now we are ready to put it inside of the hopper. Let's go. So as I stated earlier, this full body zucchini juice has a plethora of nutrients. Beta carotene, lutein, xanthan, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. Supports so many parts of our body, the full body, vision, skin, our immune system, the gut. Cleanses. That's why I call it my full body zucchini soup. I'm sorry. I didn't make the juice yet. Soup yet. Juice. My full body zucchini juice. And this is one of the juices that I make in the mornings if I just want a full body cleanse or a full body boost. I make different juices, a variety of different juices, and go check out all the juices for your 7-day juice challenge that I put together for you. I will link all of those recipes in the description. So make sure you are looking at the description. Let's see so you can see the juice. Yes. And every juice that you need to cleanse your body starting now is in the description. This juice you can drink every morning, every other morning. Incorporate a variety of juices so that your body can benefit from all of the vitamins, all of the nutrients within each of these ingredients. Oftentimes I forget to talk about the pulp. The pulp here, you can freeze this pulp. You can use this in a salad or a smoothie because the fiber is also one of the things that you need for your body. Now, when you juice, sometimes you're losing a lot of the fiber. So we need our fiber. So this is a great way of putting the fiber back into your body by putting this into a salad or smoothie, or freeze it and use it later. So this is what the zucchini full body juice looks like. So now we're going to taste it. We're going to pour it. And once again, this supports your whole body. Today I'm going to use my tall glass, and we're going to see if this juice will fill it up. So let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Simply beautiful. This zucchini juice is also a great hydrator. It hydrates your body very well. If you are dehydrated, you can make this simple zucchini juice, and this will hydrate your body. We need to stay hydrated. In fact, zucchini juice is made of 95% liquid water, right? And so this is one of the things that will help. If you don't like water, if you don't like drinking water, drink some zucchini juice. That's going to give your body the hydration that you need, because our bodies need to stay hydrated. Even in the winter months, the cold months, we still need our bodies to be hydrated. So let's taste this and see how it tastes. So refreshing. So refreshing. You might can scale down on the lemon just a little bit. I tasted lemon, which is fine, but you can probably use maybe a half of a lemon instead of a smaller half of a lemon. But this is overall what I drink to support my full body, zucchini juice. And like I said, it's a great hydrator. So you always want to make sure that you're hydrating your body first thing in the morning. And I know some of you in the comments ask me, what do I drink first thing in the morning? First thing I drink in the morning is pure water. That's the first thing that goes into my body. Next, it will be something like a juice or a smoothie. It depends on what my body is craving. Sometimes we have to listen to our bodies, and we have to understand our bodies and know what our bodies are craving. Sometimes my body is craving a smoothie. Sometimes it's craving a juice after I have my water. After I have my juice, next I'm going to have my breakfast, because juice does not replace breakfast. Juice is only an enhancer. It's a starter. It's a way to wake up your immune system in the morning. It's a way to wake up your brain cells in the morning. This is how I wake up my full body in the morning, by drinking some kind of a juice. And this morning, I wanted to do a zucchini juice. And so I wanted to share that with you. It's very simple. I just used 2 apples, 2 large zucchinis, ginger, and lemon. That's it. We don't have to make this hard. This is a new year. We want to make this as simple and as healthy as possible to support our body, our full body. And this will do just that. So try it. You can also, if those of you who are trying to lose weight, this is a good way to lose weight naturally. Why? Because it's going to feed the areas of your body that need those vitamins and those minerals, that's going to naturally allow you to lose those pounds, drop that weight instantly without having to go on these diets, these fad diets, right? So this is super delicious. And now, once again, if you're new, I want to say welcome, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and share this video to those who you know that's looking for ways on how to support their full body in this new year, this new season of life, because we all want energy. We all want healthy lives. We all want to live healthy. We all want energy. This is the way to get your energy started in the morning. Now, remember, I'm going to put the links to all of the videos, the 7-day juice challenge that I did late last year, or earlier last year, one of those. Anyway, I will put all the links in the description so you can watch each of those videos. There's 7 videos. The first video, I'm showing you how I wash and clean my veggies. So watch that video so you know what to do to wash, how to wash and cleanse your veggies. I know you're probably saying, I already know how to do it, but just watch how I do it, and that'll get you started. Then start watching video 2, which is the first video of the 7-day challenge, to start cleansing your body, every part of your body. This will support your full body. But some of you might need not a distinct, but a specific area of your body that you're trying to support, you're trying to cleanse, you're trying to heal naturally. And so each one of those videos have a different meaning, a different method, a different area of your body that is going to support more so. And do that 7-day challenge. You can even do it for 14 days or 21 days, right? So this is a jump starter to a new year and new you. You want to feel great. You want to look great. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.